Hey guys, what's up? I'm Brandon, and today I'm gonna give you a tour of my mofo detailing setup. My mobile detailing setup. So let's get right into the video and check it out. That was part of it, by the way. But yeah, so now we cut. All right, so
Rolling.
all right, guys, welcome to my humble abode. The Brandon mobile detailing setup. Now, a question I get asked all the time is, why do I have two generators? And I'll give you guys the answer to that question. And it starts back when I was just a little boy. When I was a kid, I always wanted to be an astronaut. And, growing up, that really didn't end up happening. So when I started my mobile detailing setup, I wanted to get the same generators that were on the space shuttle. So that's what I ended up doing. And I love them, you guys. So they have also these space cords that attach them. But yeah, that's why I have the two generators. It's not because I need 5,000 watts to power my machines or I need 30 amps. It's because I love astronauts.
All right,
All right,
guys. Would you recommend two Jennies for people?
would I recommend two generators for people?
Yeah.
Actually, no. They're pretty stupid, to be honest. I kind of regret getting them. Well, actually, hey, can we retake that? Ask me if I would recommend two Jennies again to people.
Would you recommend two Jennies to people?
Yes, I totally would recommend two Jennies. They're super practical, they're affordable, easy to maintain, quiet. There's no fumes. There's no smell. It's a good option, guys.
Push
Go
to
for it.
start?
Huh?
Push to start?
Oh yeah. You don't have to pull them multiple times and do two separate oil changes. It's cool.
Nice. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so the second question that I get asked the most is, what kind of reels do I have? So I went with Cox reels, COCKSREELS, Cox reels. I don't know why they're called Cox reels, but I just think maybe a big cock reels out and then it reels back in. But whatever it is, they're great, guys. And they're Cox reels. Oh wait, let's cut at whatever it is.
Okay. So how big is your cock reel?
5 feet. 50 feet. And they're okay. I honestly don't think I would buy these again. They break all the time, and they weren't expensive enough. So I wish I would have paid more for them. And this one is Cox Reel LMNO POSQRZ. And this one is a Cox Reel ABCDEFGIC. And this is a Cox Reel too, you guys. So it doesn't look like one of these ones, but it's one. And you can pick these up at your local Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's, pretty much anywhere. But I would recommend getting your reels maybe at the Dollar Tree or Harbor Freight. You might get some better ones than these because these ones are junk.
So to recap, you have 3 cocks in your car.
Yeah, I guess I like Cox. So, and this is a Cox reel too. I just put in a different casing. So, let me see the frame you got. Get this frame over here.
Go for it.
And then from there you could cut into the... Okay, ask me about my frame.
Dude, what's up with the frame?
Oh, so yeah, this is my metal custom frame. Have you ever heard of titanium?
Yeah, it's like some strong steel and stuff.
Yeah, it's not that.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
All right, moving on. So this right here is my foam cannon holder right there.
Yeah.
You see that?
It's-
Yeah.
that's the perfect spot. Very accessible.
Yep. So
Wait, does it have anti-theft? Is that why you put it back there so people don't steal it? Because that's pretty smart.
yeah, that's why, because if you put it anywhere else, like in the cab, you might get jacked. So, and cool thing about this this thing is it only cost me $50.
Nice.
All right. So, what else?
What about these brushes? Where did you get these brushes?
These ones, these are makeup brushes. You can get them from, your girlfriend, your sister, mom. Yeah, they work great. Let's see. Let's do one more. All right, so welcome to the middle part of my van.
What size water tank do you have?
Oh, that's a funny story. So I used to have a 10-gallon water tank, and it was too big. It washed too many tank. Oh wait, I mean it was too small, and I had it. So now I got a 66.66666 gallon water tank, and people ask me, Brandon, all the time, how many cars can you wash with this gallons? And I tell them 13.2 cars. That's how many cars I could wash, guys. 13.2. And you can get this thing at your local tractor supply company. And yeah. Oh, can I clean up a little bit? It doesn't look that good. This is where I put all my plastic bags, because sometimes you need stuff to throw. You need bags. Just in this business, you need bags. These bags are 10 cents a piece, so this is probably like $3 here.
I think when they said you gotta chase the bag, I think they were meaning other kinds of bags.
No, you gotta collect these 10-cent bags. That's what they mean.
Okay. So you chase the bag.
So this right here, this is
Don't tell me. I seen one of these. I was at a haunted house once. Is this one of those smokers?
It
Fog
is.
machines?
Yes. This machine costs $15,000, and it's a fogger for haunted houses. Also, you can put weed in it, and it like vaporizes, and you can like smoke the weed. And it's also a steam cleaner. And this is called the Chief, and it's a Chief 3000. So wow. It's really cool, man. What else do we have here?
The Kranzile?
Yes. This is the Krenzla 1635 PS.Q. And it's made in China. They're super cheap, you guys. Super cheap. I definitely would not recommend it. It probably won't last you a lifetime, and it probably is not that safe for paint. So, but I like to think outside the box and do things that are like different. So I bought the Krenzla. I forgot what it was called again, but anyways, moving on. Oh, ask me about my van. How many, what like transmission and stuff.
What are the specs on your Ram ProMaster City?
Oh, that's an interesting subject. So when I bought the van, the transmission, I didn't feel like it was reliable, so I swapped it out with a Transit Connect transmission because they're just way more reliable. So this is a Ram, but with a Transit Connect transmission. Ultra strong, guys. I love it. And yeah, so as far as okay, let's move on to the other side. Welcome to this side. And this is my pride and joy, guys. This is called the Tough Guy 2020. And I think they named it after 2020 because back in 2020 when COVID hit, a lot of detailers started getting in the game. So it kind of blew up back then. So
And you had to be a tough guy to be out on the streets, right?
yep. And this thing is pretty reliable. It's pretty damn strong. So it's Tough Guy. And then this is a Milwaukee Fuel with a long tip. And
Nice.
yeah. So they get smaller than that. All right, what else do we have here? Oh, so if you guys know anything about detailing, we have a lot of accessories, and it's just so much more practical to put your accessories in like a duffel bag. You don't need a toolbox or special organizers. Yeah, you just put them in the duffel bag and you rifle around for everything until you find it, and then it might not be in that one, so then you got to go through this one and you look for what you need. And then yeah, you might find the tire applicator that you're looking for.
Sweet. Use common sense, right? Like,
Yeah.
some people just don't have it. It's crazy how
Yeah.
some people would rather have a compartment for each
Yeah.
part, you know.
And I mean, I love this van because there's just more than enough space and you need for everything. You know, like it's so spacious.
Are you gonna talk about the, what was the nickname of those? The Booby 2000s?
Oh, these guys?
Yeah. Or the
Oh,
knockers?
these CO2 tanks?
Yeah.
Yeah. These CO2 tanks. This one's CO2, that one's nitrous. And they are great. They're great. And I'll show you what they power. So this thing is a Ruger 22. And it has a, look it up close. You see this little thing here?
Yeah.
Yep. So pretty cool.
And what is that used for?
Oh, this thing, it's used to, like, you know, freshen up after your detail.
Nice.
'Cause we get dirty all the time.
Yeah, it gets, or like you get all sweaty, you just blow the sweat off.
Yeah.
I figured. That's kind of smart, you know.
All right. So I guess the last question I would say is ask me, would I recommend buying a mobile detail setup?
Would you recommend buying a mobile detailing setup?
Yes, I would recommend buying a mobile detail setup. And if you guys can't afford this, because this cost, I got this free, but you know, most times you guys are gonna probably have to buy it. So I would recommend asking if you can't afford it, like, because I'm sure a lot of you guys have bad credit or like no savings and maybe like no job or like a little low paying job. So what I would recommend is ask your sister, your mom, your grandma, or your girlfriend, ask them to like co-sign or like finance the van, and then use their credit cards to buy all the things you need. But don't be an asshole and screw it up. Like, pay your payments, like make this shit work like your life depends on it. And honestly, guys, it'll be a dream come true, and it'll be the best decision you ever made.
Last question. Do you have any regrets?
No, I don't. I never regret anything. I live every day like it's my last, and I always stand by all my decisions because, you know, it makes me stronger even if I fuck up or I don't fuck up. And yeah. But as far as the mobile detailing setup, I just love it, and I love giving all the information on it, and like, you know, responding to comments on exactly how I've done the plumbing and electricity and exactly my reasoning why I have 2 generators. I just love, you know, teaching everything for free all the time. But that's pretty much it, guys. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next van tour. Should be good.
Yeah, that's cool. You're being honest.
Yeah.
All right.